everybody. Hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. I'm kicking off outfit of the day. What I wore, you get a week of outfits. You get a lot of puppies, PA weather, life in there. Like this is real time, real life. I've been trying for several hours now to kick off this video, and I have one other one I want to get done today. But the planets were not aligned, so hopefully now we can get this going. If you're new, I'm Laura. Loki is the Westie, the white puppy. The Jack Russell is Willie, that's my son's dog. They're fighting right now. And the Beagle over here, this is Dexter. The cutest smushy face. Doesn't he have the cutest smushy face? The cutest smushy face. Okay, gentlemen. Gentlemen, hey, quit biting. Quit biting. This is Loki. It's a little pot belly. Don't you have a little pot belly, huh? They went to the vet this week and they are up. Dexter's up 2 pounds in 2 weeks. Loki and Willie are up 2 pounds in 3 weeks. So they're definitely growing. Definitely growing. They still fit through our fence out back, so that's annoying. So I put little life preservers on them when I want to go outside and lay in the pool, so I don't have to worry about them escaping. So I put their little life preservers on. I don't have to worry about them drowning. I don't have to worry about them escaping. Although they have all been in the pool and they know how to get out, because we have it. It's easy if you can just get to the steps. You can walk right out. Mickey and Jasmine were my puppies, my Westie and my Yorkie before Wyatt and Xena. Wow, I don't know. Ever since this whole event, I keep thinking about them because we lost both of them. Anyway, before Wyatt and Xena knew how to get out of our pool. Okay, enough about that. Let's talk about today. It's Sunday. The sun's coming out. Not that warm yet, but the sun is out. It's 57. It's supposed to get up to 63. And I chose a easy outfit, and I've been running around doing errands today, so I feel all amok. But I have on a dress that I got from a JB Stylebox, either a year or 2 ago now. I have on a Nikibiki tank, like Cami, that I got also. I think I actually got it with this dress at the same time. And then threw a jacket on because it was cooler today. This one is my rag and bone jacket. I love this denim jacket. This is the kind that has just the printed on. There's no real pockets or anything in this. It's just a comfy, cozy little layer. For shoes, stop chewing on boxes. No. They're going to ruin my next video, huh? No, stop. So these are, just flip-flops today. They're by Dolce Vita. I put on a necklace by Brighton that I just did. How cute is this one? It has the charms, the sunglass, and the palm tree, and then just gold hoops. And that's it for today. That's my outfit. All right, guys. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. I think I forgot to say that in the beginning. And stay tuned to all the craziness. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey, everybody. It is Monday, Memorial Day. So a huge thank you to all those past and present, and all those who have risked their lives to serve and keep us free. Huge thank you there. It is a sunshiny day, but cold. 62 right now. It's supposed to go up to 68. I'm hoping it's going to feel a bit warmer in the sun. And I've got 2 of the crew here, Loki and Willie. I don't know if you can see them, but they're hanging out with me. And my Loft haul posted today, so I hope you check it out. It's a really good one. Fun new pieces. And for my outfit today, I am uber casual. I am tired for some reason. I shouldn't be. I slept in this morning, but I don't know. I'm exhausted. I am traveling this week, so don't worry. You'll see at least a couple dressier outfits this week. But today, I have on Vervet cutoffs from a recent Wantable. I paired it with this tank that I got at Sapphire Beach whenever we were in St. Thomas. And then I have a gold belt on, and I threw on this jacket because it was a little chilly this morning by Z Supply, the all-day knit, my favorite. I've got my Snooks on. You guys know how much I love these. And for jewelry, I just put on a ring I found. I think that I got this one from Rock's Box. And that's it. My earrings. I have hoop earrings in. That's it. Huh, guys? All right. I hope you have an amazing day, and we will catch you tomorrow with another outfit. Hey everybody, it is Tuesday, time for outfit of the day. So the gang is all here. It is a cooler day again, 66 degrees. It's supposed to start raining here soon, only getting up to 67. I have to tell you, yesterday turned out to be like a beautiful day. We ended up in the pool all afternoon, which was fabulous. So I think I told you, vests on the dogs to make sure that, number one, in case they fall in the pool, they don't drown. But number two, it's so they can't escape out of the fence because they're so thin right now. They can just squeeze right out of the fence. It's this wide and they all fit out right now. It's unbelievable. So I have to keep feeding them so we can get past that hump. And let's see. For outfit of the day today, I have on a Loft dress. I just shared in yesterday's haul. Love this one, the green halter dress. It's not cute. It's a little cool out, as I mentioned, so I threw on a jean jacket from Cut from the Cloth I got in a Trendsend long time ago. Pulled out Dolce Vita sandals, also a Trendsend. And my Louis necklace, I have on a bracelet stack and gold hoops, and that is my outfit today. And Loki's trying to get to my shoes. I have to keep them all off the floor, but he found them anyway since he came up here, huh? He's a love bug. Aren't you a love bug? Yes, you are. As he tries to bite me. All right, tomorrow morning I will see you bright and early. I have to head to the office. I will catch you then. Hey everybody, it is Wednesday and time for outfit of the day. 4:40 in the morning, pitch black outside, raining, yucky day. It's going to be a yucky drive today. It's only going to be 62. It's not going to be warm, and with the rain, it's going to feel much colder than that. My front door fashion posted today. It was such a good one. My last one from my amazing stylist, Rachel, I ended up keeping 6 items. The Luna Y-neck tank, the Ella crop tank. I kept the Karen Kane skirt, the Village Chic tee by Z Supply, which I've already worn. You guys saw that when I was traveling. The Fallon crew neck tee by Michael Stars, and the Riveri dress. So I grabbed a few of them here just as a reminder. So that was the little Y-neck. This one is the Riveri dress right here. That amethyst top, the cream little skirt, the cheeky tee, and then the other tank. So 6 items. All right, I tried curling my hair this morning, even though it's raining, so we'll see what happens. I think it's just going to frizz out, but I thought I would give it a try. And for outfit of the day today, I have on AG denim. This is the Brindley. Got those at the Ever Eve store. Paired it with a White House Black Market tee you may recognize, and an Ever Eve jacket from a Trendsend. And then I put out my very comfy pink Halogen sandals to throw on to give it a little pop of color. I have on my Gorjana necklace, my Louis necklace, just gold hoops, and how about my bracelet stack? And off I go. No puppers today. I'm trying to keep them quiet, although they already know I'm on the move. So hopefully I can get out of here without too much disruption. Hope your week is going amazing, and I will catch you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Thursday, time for outfit of the day. It is supposed to be nicer than yesterday. It rained all day yesterday. So it's 54, supposed to get up to 74 today. And for today's outfit, I have on AG denim. I am trying to think where I got these. I think I got them in a front door fashion. I'm not positive for once. And then my jacket is White House Black Market. I love this one. I just shared it in my haul. I put on an Ever Eve tank, and I have on a bralette underneath just from Ebby. You know my Ebby bralettes. I love those just to make sure it stays in place. And for shoes, I put on my Louis. Love these little sandals. I'm showing them to you upside down. Come with me. Can you tell it's first thing in the morning? And then for jewelry, my bracelet stack, same necklaces as yesterday, same hoops. I think that I am ready to go. Who knows? We'll see how it goes. All right, I will catch you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Friday and time for outfit of the day. All the puppies are here. Ow. Ow. They're all here. They're always scratching. They're always they're always biting. That's the owls. Scratching and biting. Yeah, it's let's see, 65 degrees outside, getting up to 68, and it is nice and warm outside. However, the rain's supposed to come this evening and to tomorrow, so it's going to cool down quite a bit, and yeah, that's where we're at. But they're so distracting. I always lose my train of thought when these guys are around. All right, let's get to outfit of the day. Try to get some silence. I have on a top from Anthropologie. I have on a pair of shorts from Hidden that I got in a Wantable that I love. These are those fun camo ones. I did put on this cute airy bralette today, which I'm really enjoying. It's super cute. It has like a ruching right here in the front, and you can't see it, but it's a nice one that I'll probably be wearing some more. And for shoes, put on my Dolce Vitas. These came in a Trendsend. I have on my bracelet stack, also from a Trendsend, and my Gorjana necklace from a Trendsend. And I just stuck on my gold hoops. And that's a wrap on Friday's outfit. All right, I will catch you tomorrow for final outfit. Hey everybody, it is Saturday and time for final outfit of the day. I brought Harvey up so you could all see he's doing well. He actually gets along very good with the puppies because they're very kind and soft. They're not lungy. They just, Loki comes up to him down on, his front paws with his ears back, not aggressive. So he's really they all just want to be his friend. He bats at them, but it appears to be without claws. And that's more like warning taps. But he's doing well. I think he's doing well. He's had a lot of change because we've had to move his litter box around because the puppers are getting into it. He's even when my dad was here, we had to move the litter box. So poor Quet's always trying to figure out where his place is, but he does really well, and he tries to always integrate with the rest of the family. So I wanted you guys to see him. Not hard. So today my Cozy Island video posted, and I also have some amazing White House Black Market pieces. Please go over there and check it out. If you love to wear heels, which I do, but you feel like you can never wear them anymore because they hurt, that's me, these heels are for you. Cozy Island is amazing. They have built-in grippers so that you don't slip across the slippy floors. They have cushions for the heel. They have cushions for the arch. They have arch support. They're flexible. They're just amazing. So please stop by and check out the few pair I have to share with you guys, and check out their whole site. I do have a code for you guys. Amazing, amazing shoes. And for today's outfit, I have on, let's see, Z Supply pants from a Wantable, Z Supply t-shirt from Z Supply, this Loft jacket, which I've had for years. I loved it with a little bit of that blue dye in it, so I grabbed it, but I've had this for a really long time. And then for shoes, how about these fun ones? So I think you guys have seen these before. These are Dolce Vita. I love a fun gold. They have the gold bar here at the top. I love these. And then for jewelry, I threw on a Gorjana necklace, my Louis necklace, my bracelet stack, and hoops. And I'm off. And that's a wrap. That's a wrap on outfit of the day. I will list all my outfits down below. If I can link directly to an item, I will. Many come from boxes, so of course I'll let you know which boxes, and all the links for those are down below as well. Can't wait to hear what your favorite was. Thanks for hanging out with me. Please hit like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Bye-bye.